Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is PRAMESTYA. I'm from class B with student number 232122003. Here I will explain the materials about phonetics and phonology. Let's get started. So, what is phonetics? Phonetics is a science that deals with the sounds of human language. It is normally divided into three sub-branches, namely acoustic phonetics, auditory phonetics, and articulatory phonetics. The first one is acoustic phonetics. Acoustic phonetics deals with the study of physical properties of sounds in the form of sound waves that result from the production of the sounds. Second is auditory phonetics. Auditory phonetics deals with how sounds are perceived by our brains. As you state, when one speaks, the sounds that he produces create sound waves. And the last is articulatory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics also deals with the sounds of the language, but it focuses on how the sounds are produced. The focus on sound production necessarily means that this branch of phonetics must handle the speech mechanism that is involved in sound production. In articulatory phonetics, we discuss things such as the role and function of our lungs, the passage through which the sound flows, the parts of the mouth that play a role in the formation of sounds, and the ways the sounds are released. And the next is phonology. Phonology is differentiated from phonetics in that the focus of the study is different. In phonetics, we deal with the formation, production, and perception of sounds. In phonology, we talk about how the sounds are released and arranged when used in actual speech. As an example, the vowel as is gone is phonetically speaking an oral sound. From the point of view of phonology, however, the sound is nasalis, that is, it pick up the nasal puncture. In phonology, we also discuss the arrangement of sounds to form a syllable or a word. In English, for instance, we have the sounds L and P. According to the rule of English sound arrangement, known as the phonetics, these sounds can occur together at the end of a word in the order of LP. If we compare English and Indonesian, we will find that Indonesian also has the sounds L and P. But if we look at the phonetic rules of Indonesian, we will see that L and P never occur together in one syllable or a word. Phonology also handles how words are phonologically formed, the structure of a syllable, for instance, is based on a set of rules of the language. From the description above, we can see that phonology does not deal with how sounds are formed, produced, or perceived, but how they are arranged in relation to other sounds. In the other word, phonology studies the sound system of language. The next is sounds and letters. People quite often confuse sounds with letters. Sounds are not letters. A sound, however, may be represented graphically by letters, but a sound is not synonymous with a letter. The words hear, head, sing, and breathe consist of 2, 3, 4, and 6 letters, often referred to as graphemes, namely H, E, HIT, respectively. Henceforth, the symbol will be used for letters of graphemes. We can see the difference. The human sounds or combination of sounds brings about meanings. The combination of the sounds be and key, for instance, brings about the meaning of an object that we read or we write a book. And the last is phonemics. In phonemics, we study sounds in order to determine whether certain sounds are in contrast with certain other sounds, which bring about different meaning or not.